We've basically got an army of tens of thousands of installers at this point. And we've built these templates that coincide with our software and our hardware and everything that we do, right? We have this process that we've trained them on so that whatever the project is, they can go out and get it deployed. And like we do with everything, we want to consolidate all of this. So we are the one-stop shop for all of these different things that may or may not be required in a deployment. Sometimes you need professional install, sometimes you don't. You can send 5 temperature sensors to a restaurant and there's somebody there that knows how to use a phone decently well. They can get set up and no problem. However, if you send sensors to 100 restaurants because a franchisee owns 100 of them and they're making decisions way up top here and the GMs at each one are just like, I don't know, this box just arrived and I don't know what the hell it is, right? That happens. The installers are crucial because they're going to get in there, get it done and get out. And then reports are going to go to the guy who made the decision up top and he's going to be like, yes, this is working. This is good. If you try to send stuff out to each individual location and rely on them to do their own installs, some will do it and some won't. But what's going to happen is you're going to get these broken reports and this mixed feedback and this project's going to get shut down by somebody. So that's why the installation is so critical. So we provide that as an option to you. So if you say we want to professionally install all these locations, we give you a rate and you either pass that through to your customer or you mark it up, but we're going to handle all the logistics behind the scenes. We're going to collect some info from you, like what are the locations, how many sensors, what's the name of the assets that they're going through. And that's all done through an intake form. Once we collect that, we then have a process where we dispatch everybody out. We set the timelines, we're project managing it. It all ties into our backend system so we can see when the installers are dispatched, when they're going to be done. They send back pictures of the install so we can validate everything's done right. And then we check the box and then we go from there. So we're providing that behind the scenes. And these installers, based on what you want from us, they can show up on your behalf, basically. They don't have to mention myDevices. They don't have to mention who they're with personally. They can go on your behalf. It's kind of part of this all-inclusive white labeling of the offering, right?